In this video, I am going to show you how to enable the adaptive coaching in MacroFactor. So to enable that, of course, first of all, what is adaptive coaching? It basically means automatic weekly adjustments to calories slash macros. Of course, it will be based on your weight trends, energy expenditure, and goal. So you just log your food and weights, and MacroFactor will do the rest for you. So you can just go now to enable that example, go to strategy. Here, you'll find yourself here, example, where you can find your program. What we'll need to do is simply scroll down, and here you'll find your goal. The goal that you set once you created your account. If you want to change it now, maybe you choose manual before and you want to now enable the adaptive coaching, you can go and set a new goal. Choose whatever you want to do. For me, I'm just going to choose maintain weights, and I'm going to choose 70 kilogram. Done. Now I'll just go and click on set a new program. Once I do here, I'll have to choose this option, which is coached. This is how you enable the adaptive coaching. If you choose collaborative or manual, this is not adaptive coaching. So this one that will adapt, as you can see. So they will design a calorie and macro program based on your goal and preferences. So they'll adapt. So just go and click on next. Here, you'll have to answer some questions like what's your preferred diet and what calorie floor do you prefer? What training will you do during this program? For me, I'm just going to answer randomly for you. Make sure to have things accurate because it will help you out. Once you finish, they will basically make you a program that is like adaptive depending on your weights, depending on your what you eat and stuff. So here you'll find what you will need to eat each day, how much calories, fats, carbs, and protein, and how much remaining. You can simply add the food that you eat from here, even if it's custom. I already showed you how to add custom, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.